time for another video, and it is the 20th December. Let's just start. We got ourselves a die from Roxanne, as we always do. Let's see what it is. Oops. I think it says holy moly. Let's find out. Here it comes. Holy moly! It's your birthday. Yeah, that was nice. Yeah, fun. And let's open the Jessink. It's a big one today. Oh, it's a cat or monster. Super nice. Let's try it out. Yeah, and I think that you could use one of those words here. Let's just try it out. See how you can use it in the banner. I think that would be pretty cute. Yeah, thank you. That one. Let's try all the others. Yeah, nice. Yeah, and let's open Reprint. Make sure to open the right one. There's one. It's 20. Oh, it's an elephant. Sweet. Oh, wow. So for today we got a big stamping set from Jessink. It was this monster or cat or animal with this banner that you can stamp on. Use one of those words. It says thank you, Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, for you, to my friend, hello, hug and hug. And Reprint has this cute elephant baby. Really, really cute. Yeah, nice. And from Rockstar we got this die that says holy moly. Can you say holy moly natural? Nah, you have to say like holy moly. Yeah, that was all for today. And have a nice evening. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.